Christus vencen, Christus regnat, Christus, Christus imperat. 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 Christus vencen, Christus regnat, Christus, Christus imperat.
Kaya mali na kayong bumukas na mata. Open up your eyes and listen to me a little bit short. I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for accepting the sacrament of the Holy Spirit. You being sealed by water, Spirit, and by Icon himself. This is been prophesied long time ago that those of heaven, those of earth, in the appointed time, they would come together as one to fight evil. And this would be the time of the Holy Spirit. Now we are the third person of the Trinity. Father's time is gone. Son's time is gone. Now we are at the time of the third person of the Trinity, which is the Holy Spirit. You would have to learn more about this. Ang maganda ngayon, what is beautiful now, you are all covenant of good Spirit, of the Holy Spirit. With Stephen here, matatak niya ay si Saint Nicholas. Hindi naman siguro yung Santa Claus. Saint Nicholas, the Jerusalem, ang mga tatak niyo from Jerusalem, it is because tayo pa ngayon ng Holy Spirit sa pagbaba niya. Sa Israel, yun din po may tinatak sa 600 mahigit na tao doon sa sacrifice valley. Ngayon kayo po ay may mga basbas na, bahagi na kayo ng kapatiran ito, nag-iisa lang ang simbahan ng Espiritu Santo, tandaan nyo. Marami nakikigamit, marami nakikigaya, pero hindi mapapantayan. Ito nga po ang Apostolic Catholic Church. Mula sa ACC, marami na sumulpot, walang kabuti, pero wala sa kanila ang biyaya ng Diyos. Ang Apostolic Catholic Church po sa Pilipinas is a full member church of the National Council of Churches in the Philippines. Tayo po kinikilala ng World Council of Churches, nakabase ngayon sa Switzerland, China Council of Churches in Asia. Ito naman po ay nandito sa Thailand. Kaya tayo po ay kinikilala ng iba't ibang mga simbahan, interfaith, interreligious. Kaya minsan lang kasama tayo ng mga brother Muslims, brother Shinto, brother Hindu, Buddhist. Kasi naniniwala tayo there's no exclusivity of one religion sa isang Diyos. We're all brothers and sisters in one God. Lahat tayo kapatid. Kaya congratulations sa lahat, sa inyo. Matidiscover nyo in time, may kanya-kanya kayong biyaya mula sa Espiritu Santo. May iba sa inyo maaaring manggamot, may iba sa inyo may vision, may iba sa inyo may discernment, may divine fear of the Lord, mayroon divine knowledge. Ganun ba? Kung naman sana dumating sa inyo, may iba sa inyo may vision, tapos may bola kristal, tulad ni Madam Auring. Huwag naman ganun. Okay, nanggagamot kayo, tapos kung ano nang ginagawa niyo. Huwag po. Ang ating sandata, the food of our sealed spirit is good deeds, sacraments, tsaka Holy Rosary. Ha? Yun lamang po. Iwas kayo sa masama, iwas kayo sa bawal, bawal sa atin na alak, all the ABS-CBN. Alak, babae, sugal, tapos sine, uy, hindi naman siguro, barkada, tsaka naging bumangera yung N. Sige po, maraming salamat po. Congratulations sa inyo. Congratulations. You are now called in the church Apo Nicolas. Thank you very much. Sige po. Alam nyo, by Mayo, by May 18, I will be going to Yokohama and Tokyo, Japan. Just for the same thing. Ang dami po nag-aantay doon. Lalo yung mga naging biktima ng maraming kalamidad. There is no place for them to go to but to God. Kaya hanapin nila ang tulong, more blessings, para they can start anew. Remember, the problems are with you. It's been given to you sometimes by the Lord, only to strengthen your faith. After the problems, will be the success. Okay, congratulations ako. Both of you now are servants. You planned that? Hindi naman ngayon sabay-sabay. Sobro ka na. Bininyo ka na, tinato ka na, nagkaso na. Hindi. Ibig ko humigop na sa baho.
Yes. Yes, thank you.
There will be space.
Okay, thank you. Because they are asking.
No?
They are
Sila mo
not.
kasal?
Anyway, that is planned for us.
Yes. In the near future. I'm just right there. I will be leaving Philippines for North America for 2 months. I will be on the last week of July. Yeah, I still have time. An hour and a half lang na papunta dito eh. Sige, palamunin niyo ako.
We are going to.
Where? Really? Nagaling na ba siya ron?
Yes.
Taga saan ka?
Not
Garito.
yeah.
British.
I did as ano, si Iloilo. Thank you very much. Nicolas Stephen. No. It is spirit in heaven already. Okay? Yes, no. It is info.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
My grandfather's middle name.
Oh, very good. Info usually does that, you know. Sometimes we really don't know the reasons why, but because we're only human beings. And only knows God, so we can plan things. Congratulations.
Ano daw yung mad?
Thank you po. At least magsama na kayo.
Sabi ko, di ba,
Nahuya
so,
ka again.
nahuya din. Siyempre, ikaw is you are
Maganda lang yung picture daw pag-aralan ninyo. That is patunay na kahit wala mo ma, He still is with us. Nakita ba yung litrato doon? Nakain ko ako, maraming nakaluhod, inaayos yung kukompoin kasi. After yan, nagtatag ng more than 600. Kita niyan, gwapo-gwapo ka pa rin doon. Tapos kinukunan ng litrato ng taga Italy. First shot niya, ako lang. Ito lang sa akin. Second shot, wala pang 3 seconds. Nandito ng mama, papalapit sa akin. Kaya yung may hawak na mic, hindi niya alam eh. Kasi invincible ang mama eh. Kaya hindi nabago yung mukha niyo, tinignan niya yung mama. Kundi pareho pa rin ang kanya. Talagang ganun pakita lang. Congratulations to everyone. Let us give them siguro next time.